Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you honest and insightful reviews of the latest must-haves. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best mosquito barrier on the market right now, the Backyard Halo Mosquito Barrier End Hose Sprayer Kit. Let's face it, mosquitoes are the fastest way to ruin a backyard barbecue, evening by the fire pit, or your child's birthday party. But Backyard Halo changes the game with an all-natural, safe, and incredibly effective mosquito solution that lets you spray and play, instantly. This product is made with a plant-based formula that includes essential oils like soybean oil, clove oil, cedarwood oil, rosemary oil, lemongrass, and almond oil. Combined with soap, filtered water, and glycerin, this biodegradable and non-toxic mix creates a mosquito barrier that doesn't just repel. It reduces the mosquito population around your home. Each kit includes two 16-ounce bottles of mosquito barrier concentrate. That's a total of 32 fluid ounces. It's incredibly easy to apply thanks to the included end hose sprayer. Simply connect the sprayer to your garden hose, apply to grassy areas, bushes, or damp zones around your yard, and you're done. It's recommended to apply the treatment around sundown, which is peak mosquito activity time. And once it's sprayed, you're good to go. No waiting, no downtime. Coverage-wise, each bottle treats an area of 30 by 40 feet, totaling up to 2,400 square feet for the whole kit. That's more than enough for most backyards, patios, or even campsites. But here's what really sets Backyard Halo apart: it's safe. It's safe for children, adults, pets, and the environment. There's no DEET, no harsh chemicals, no worrying about what your kids or furry friends might be exposed to. And unlike other repellents that leave behind strong synthetic smells, Backyard Halo leaves a pleasant, earthy citrus scent that feels more like a spa day than pest control. And you're not just limited to your backyard. If you're going on a camping trip, a hike, or spending time in any outdoor setting where bugs are a problem, this is the perfect companion. Lightweight, portable, and easy to reapply, it's a go-to solution for outdoor living. To recap, Backyard Halo's Mosquito Barrier Kit checks all the boxes: safe, natural, effective, and easy to use. With its powerful essential oil blend and generous coverage, it gives you peace of mind and the freedom to enjoy your outdoor spaces without interruption. That wraps up this product critique review. If you're looking to reclaim your backyard from annoying pests, the Backyard Halo Mosquito Barrier Kit is a product worth trying. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another honest review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.